Hello guys, welcome to our today's topic that is based on the solar power. So guys, in this lecture what we will do? In this lecture first we will try to understand how solar power is generated with the help of solar energy, or we can say that sun rays, and also we will discuss about the different types of solar system for the generation of electricity at our homes, industry, factories, etc. Okay, so let's have a look at the uh, overview of a solar power, and let us try to understand how solar power is generated at our homes, and how can we utilize electrical power at our home with the help of solar panel. Okay, now guys, as you can see that on your screen, the solar panel here, the solar panel, or we can say that PV panel, photovoltaic panel, is located on the roof of the home, on the roof of the home. This is called a solar panel. This what is the purpose of what is the purpose of this solar panel? This solar panel is responsible for the conversion of solar energy into electrical energy, or we can say that light energy into electrical energy. With the help of PV cell we can easily convert the solar energy into electrical energy, and that electrical energy, uh, whatever the electrical energy is generated through this solar panel, that energy is called a DC power energy. That energy is called a DC panel power energy. And with the help of inverter, what we will do, with the help of inverter we can easily convert DC power energy into AC power energy, and that AC power energy will stored in this battery bank. Okay, and that AC energy will stored in this battery bank, and whatever we have load connected at our homes, that will be utilized with the help of energy storage battery bank, and the left amount of electrical energy and the excess amount of electrical energy will send to the grid connected transmission lines. Okay, now what is called a solar power? Solar power is nothing but it is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaics, PV, and indirectly using concentrated solar power, or a combination. Concentrated solar power systems use lenses or mirrors and solar tracking systems to focus a large area of sunlight into a small beam. So photovoltaic cell convert only light into an electric current using the photovoltaic effect. Now let us try to understand what is photovoltaic cell, or we can say that PV cell, and how does it work. Okay, now what happened in solar panel, uh, when sun rays and when sunlight is fall into the solar panel or PV cell, then it will create a heat energy, and due to that heat energy, the front electrode means negative ion, and electrode, front electrode and back electrode are going to combine each other. And when back electrode and front electrode, when positive and negative ions are going to combine each other, then it will create a potential difference, and due to that potential difference, it will flow an electric current. That is all about the working of the photovoltaic cell or solar panel or PV cell. So a solar cell or photovoltaic cell is nothing but it is an electrical device that converts the energy of light directly into electricity by the photovoltaic effect, which is physical and chemical phenomenon. Okay, now another type of system is called a concentrated solar power. So concentrated solar, what is concentrated solar, concentrating solar power, CSP? CSP technology is with the help of CSP technology, we used mirrors to concentrate. To concentrate means focus. To concentrate and focus the sun's light energy. Okay, in concentrated solar power, generally we use mirrors, है ना, this mirrors to concentrate or focus the sunlight energy, and it convert into heat to create steam to drive a turbine, and that generates electrical power. So CSP technology utilizes focused sunlight, and that heat is then channeled to a conventional generator. And conventional, we are very familiar with the generator is nothing but it is used for the generation of electricity. Okay, now the another type of system is called a hybrid solar system. So hybrid solar system, what is the use of, we generally discussed the purpose of the solar panel, which is generally placed on the roof of our homes, and what is called hybrid solar system. Hybrid solar system, in hybrid solar system, what is the use of a inverter, what is the use of a battery bank, it is already we discussed at the starting of our lecture. So in hybrid solar system, battery bank, in a hybrid system, once solar power is used by the appliances, any excess power left will be sent to the battery bank. Once the battery bank is fully charged, it will stop receiving power from the solar system. Okay, the energy from the battery can then be discharged and used for power consumption, usually during the peak evening period when the cost of electricity is typically at its highest. Okay, that is all about the use of a battery bank in hybrid solar system. And what is the use of a meter and electricity grid? Electricity grid means the interconnections of a transmission line where we transmit the um, electric power from sending end to the receiving end. So what is the purpose of meter and electricity grid? Depending on how your hybrid system is set up and whether your utility allows it. Once your batteries are fully charged, excess solar power not required by your appliances can be exported to the grid via your meter when your solar system is not in use. And if you have drained the usable power in your batteries, your appliances will then start drawing power from the grid. So that is all about the working principle of a hybrid solar system, how hybrid solar system work parallelly at our homes, and parallelly how power is transmitted through the transmission line of the transmission tower. So that's all about the working of the hybrid solar system. Okay.